Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens. In today's tutorial, we'll look at the Python string method isdigit. In Python, the isdigit method returns true if all characters in a specified string are digits and there's at least one character in the string, otherwise it will return false. And the syntax for this method is a string object followed by dot isdigit with opening and closing parentheses. And for the string method isdigit, there are no parameters. Now the variable we'll work with here is Python_fact. With the string, there are more than 200,000 Python packages in the world hosted on PyPI. And here we'll just return the output to visually see the string that we're working with. So we'll start off by checking if the Python fact string contains only digit characters. And we'll do that by chaining the method to the variable. So print Python fact dot isdigit. And so we can see here based on the output false, right? So for the string here, it doesn't only contain digits, so return false because there are alphabetical characters, white space, and punctuation. And we can also perform this check for alphanumeric strings. So we'll create an alphanumeric string here called LeetCode L string, which has the value LeetCode. And we'll check, is this string all digits? So print LeetCode underscore L string dot isdigit. And so this here also returns false. Right, so return false due to the alphabetical characters. And so the check can be further extended to special characters as well. So we'll create a string here at underscore string variable with the string at sign and check, does it contain digits? So just looking at the string here, it should return false, but we can confirm that using the method here at string dot isdigit. And we can see here based on the output that it is false. So return false because there are no digits, but also where there is digits, we can create a string, so one dot, and check, does this return true or false for this string? So this is also false. Now this is due to the full stop. And this check can also be applied to any sort of tab separator or new line separator characters, any sort of escape character. So we can create a tab separator string variable here, which separates two numbers, 1 and 2, by a tab space here with a \t. And so we'll print first the tab separator string just to see the string that we're working with. So the tab separator string looks something like this, where you have 1 and 2, and then this spacing here is a tab space. And we can check this. Is this string only digits? So this here also returns false, right? This returns false due to the tab separator character here, \t. Now, valid digit character strings are any strings that contain only numerical characters. So we can create a variable here called digit character string, which equals to the string value 10101. And we'll print the output for the string. So we can see here, this is a string value that we're working with, and check, does this string only contain digits with the isdigit method? And so this here returns true. So return true, only numeric characters. And so this can also be applied to any Unicode characters for any Unicode characters for numbers. So Unicode character for 10101 is 0 equals to the Unicode sequence here 0030, and 1 equals to Unicode sequence \u followed by 0031. And so we can print this as a Unicode string. So Unicode string for 10101 is this sequence here. So we'll print it as a raw string. So \u followed by 0031. And so this so far is just the 10, and then we'll repeat this. Again, we can see here that this is the Unicode escape sequence. So this is the raw string for Unicode escape sequence characters for 10101, and we can print this string as the numeric value. Followed by 0030, and we'll close it off with a 1, so 0031. And we can see here that this output 10101 was the same here as a string here for digit character string variable. And so we can store this first as a variable, and we'll then use this to check, is this a string which contains only digits? So 0031 followed by 0030, and then we'll close it off with 0031, right? And we'll print Unicode digit string dot isdigit, and so this here returns true. Right, so return true. All characters in the string are digits, and we can also check it for individual number as well. So let's say we want to check it for the number 1. That will just be \u followed by 0031 dot isdigit. And so this here also returns true, right, for number 1. Now the isdigit method also treats any superscript and subscript numbers as digits. So all superscript and subscript numbers are also considered to be digits. So if we have one superscript variable here, so superscript 5 Unicode is equal to \u 2075, and then we can also create a variable here for subscript 5 Unicode, which is a sequence here \u 2085, and we just print both variables to see the output. So print as an F string where superscript 5 is Unicode, so superscript 5 Unicode, and then subscript 5 here is subscript 5 followed by the variable here, so subscript 5 Unicode. And we can see here that this is a superscript, so the exponent, and this is the subscript for 5. So superscript followed by subscript 5. And now we can apply the isdigit method here to check for both superscript and subscript. Are they valid digits? So superscript 5 Unicode.isdigit. And so this here returns true. So return true. Superscript 5 is a valid digit, and we can extend this to check for the subscript as well. So subscript 5 Unicode.isdigit, and this also returns true. So return true, subscript 5 is a valid digit. And so this is how to use the isdigit method to check if a string contains only digits. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content, and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.